Welcome to Poetrymix. Flood recovery in San Diego, USA. San Diego, located on the picturesque southern coast of California, is known for its beautiful beaches, vibrant culture, and favorable climate. However, like many other regions, it is not immune to the destructive forces of nature, including flooding. When floods strike, San Diego residents demonstrate resilience, unity, and a strong commitment to rebuilding their beloved city. This article explores the process of flood recovery in San Diego, highlighting the efforts undertaken to restore normalcy and enhance resilience in the face of adversity. Immediate response and safety measures. When floods occur in San Diego, the immediate focus is on ensuring the safety of residents and minimizing further damage. The City of San Diego, in collaboration with emergency response agencies and local authorities, activates emergency plans to address the situation promptly. Early warning systems, such as flood sensors and monitoring stations, help provide real-time data, enabling authorities to issue timely alerts and evacuation orders. Search and rescue teams, comprising trained professionals and volunteers, are swiftly deployed to rescue individuals stranded by floodwaters. These dedicated teams utilize boats, helicopters, and other specialized equipment to access hard-to-reach areas and bring affected residents to safety. Infrastructure restoration. After the waters recede, the arduous task of restoring damaged infrastructure begins. San Diego's city government, in coordination with state and federal agencies, allocates resources and funds to repair and rebuild critical infrastructure, including roads, bridges, public buildings, and utilities. The city's Public Works Department plays a crucial role in the post-flood recovery process. Skilled workers assess the damage, clear debris, and undertake necessary repairs to ensure the safety and functionality of essential infrastructure. Additionally, collaborations with private contractors and construction companies help expedite the restoration process. Community support and assistance programs. In the aftermath of a flood, the spirit of community support and resilience shines through in San Diego. Numerous organizations, including nonprofit groups, volunteer associations, and community centers, actively participate in relief efforts, providing immediate assistance to affected residents. The American Red Cross, alongside local shelters and aid centers, offers temporary housing, emergency supplies, and emotional support to those displaced by flooding. They also facilitate access to healthcare services and connect residents with resources for long-term recovery. Financial assistance programs, such as the Small Business Administration's disaster loans and FEMA's Individual Assistance Program, provide much-needed support to homeowners, renters, and businesses impacted by floods. These programs offer financial aid for home repairs, temporary housing, and other essential needs, helping individuals and businesses get back on their feet. Building resilience and future preparedness. Flood recovery in San Diego is not limited to immediate repairs, it also focuses on long-term resilience and preparedness. The city, in collaboration with various stakeholders, emphasizes proactive measures to mitigate future flood risks. San Diego's Stormwater Division implements projects to improve stormwater management and reduce the impact of floods. This includes the construction of detention basins, flood control channels, and storm drain upgrades. These initiatives aim to enhance floodwater management and minimize the potential damage caused by future flood events. Public education campaigns play a pivotal role in fostering flood awareness and preparedness among residents. The city conducts outreach programs